Okay, we're looking at another Poisson distribution. We're given that the number of magnitude 5 or larger earthquakes in Alaska follow a Poisson distribution with an average. Let me see if I make this just a little bit wider. Slide that over. 16 earthquakes per year. Round your answer to 4 decimal places. In the following questions, assume we are only talking about the magnitude 5 or larger earthquakes, and the earthquakes are independent of one another. Round your answer to at least 4 decimal places. So let's just recall what the Poisson distribution is. Your mean, depending on what book you're looking at, can be represented by what's called a lambda, the Greek symbol lambda, which is a line, a little curve here, or mu. And just to be complete, your standard deviation is the sigma is going to be the square root of mu or the square root of lambda. So recall it's a discrete probability distribution, and the random variable x is the number of occurrences of an event over an interval of time, distance, area, or volume. So it says find the probability of exactly 21 earthquakes in a particular year. Okay, so we're given that we have an average of 16 earthquakes per year. So mu is equal to 16 per year. So the probability of exactly, I want the probability. So I'm going to pull up stat disk. Get it over here just a little bit. Now it says probability distribution Poisson. The mean for the year is 16. Evaluate. X equals 21 is going to be 0.0. I'm sorry. Yeah, 0.04261. I'll round here in a little bit. Find the probability of exactly 1 earthquake in 1 month. Since we're given that the average is 16 earthquakes per year, I'll have to find the mean per month. And that's simply taking the 16 divided by the number of months of a year. In a year is 12, and that's going to be 1 point with a repeating 3. Okay, so I want to know the probability x equal 1 in a month. And going back to stat disk here, I'm going to change this to 1 point. I think I'll put 4 decimal places in there. So 1 in a month is going to be 0.35147. Right. Find the probability that there are no earthquakes in a month. Okay. Probability x equals 0. I'm already here with that information. It'd be 0.26361. And lastly, what's the probability that there are 2 earthquakes in a 3-month period? So we need to find the mean for 3-month period. So mu sub 3 months would be, okay, how many 3 months are there in a year? There's 4 3 months. So 16 divided by 4 would be 4. I won't know the probability x equals 2. A 3-month period. So I'll go back into stat disk. I'm going to change this to 4. Evaluate, and I'm wanting to know x equals 2 would be 0.14653. X is equal to 2 here. Okay, so let's put our answers in and see what we get. They're wanting 4 decimal places, so 0.0426 in 1 month, 0.3515. 9 in a month will be 0.2636, and 2 will be 0.1465. Okay, looks like we got them all correct. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.